Wales, a country no more than the size of a thimble. Blink and you might miss its beautiful sights on the map. But a nation nevertheless whose pride shines bright, with history steeping more than 1,000 years or so. What with their Calon lands and Yma o heads and that green grass of home, the Welsh are true Welsh, who never wander too far from their homeland. Well, that's not entirely true. Welcome to the Maddox Centre for Welsh Studies. Located in Rio Grande, southern Ohio, the centre is the only one of its kind. As part of the University of Rio Grande, our mission is to foster understanding and appreciation for Welsh heritage and contemporary Welsh culture.